Lactic acid is an organic acid from the AHA, alpha-hydroxy acid, family that is found naturally in milk, in certain fruits and vegetables, such as tomato or guava, and also in wine. It plays a role in various biochemical processes in the human body. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY lactic acid. You will need only milk. Raw milk contains lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that gently sloughs off dead skin cells, revealing a fresh and radiant complexion underneath. Regular exfoliation with raw milk can help unclog pores, prevent acne breakouts, and improve overall skin texture. Daily massage raw milk on your face. Lactic acid is an exfoliating alpha-hydroxy acid that helps promote the shedding of dead skin cells. By gently eliminating the buildup of dead cells, this ingredient helps soften and smooth your skin and improve its overall texture.